Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to explain you from exercise 7.1 the second question. It's very easy question. So let us start. Find the distance between the points 0, 0 and 36, 15. Can you now find the distance between the two towns A and B discussed in section 7.2. So one by one we will go on solving this question. So first of all we will find out the distance between the points 0, 0 and 36, 15. Whenever distance between it is asked, you must use the distance formula. So let us consider the points. Let us consider here. This shows the point A and let us name this as B, 36, 15. So we'll find out the distance. So distance between A and B is, let us take this as AB. So distance you can write like this also. Instead of saying A and B, you can say AB is equals to x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. So here you have to name this as x1 y1 and x2 y2. If you want to name this as x2 y2 and this is x1 y1, then also it is fine. So x2 is 36 minus x1 is 0 square plus y2 is 15 and y1 is 0 its square. So 36 minus 0 is 36 its square plus 15 minus 0 is 15 its square. So let us square it, or you can use prime factorization method to find out this. That will be easy. So 36 square, first of all you have to write the squares. This is 1296 plus 15 into 15, it is 225. Altogether, if you add, you will get what? 1521. And now the square root you have to find out. So first of all, always you have to try by prime factorization method. So we cannot divide this with 2. So why? Because the last number is not 0 and it is not even number. So we'll try with 3. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 2 is 9. 8 and 1 is 9. So the sum is 9. So we can divide this with 3. So first number is 1, that is less than 3. So we'll put a 0. We'll take double digit. 3 5s are 15. Again, one digit we have taken, that is 2. That is less than 3. So we'll put 0 here. And here it is 21. So 3 7s are 21. Again, see by which number you are going to divide this. 2 is not possible. So go for next prime number. 5 plus 0 plus 7. That is 12. So you can divide this with 3. 3 1s are 3 and 2 will remain here. 3 6 are 18. So 2 will remain. So here 3 9s are 27. So 1 6 10 remain. So next we'll try to divide this with the 2. So 2 is not possible. So try for 3. 9 plus 1 is 10 plus 1 is 16. 16 is not divisible by 3. So this number is also not divisible by 3. So next prime number is 5. But last digit is not 0 or and it is not 5 also. So it is not possible. Next go for 7 and try. So 7 2s are 14, it will come. Again 2 here it will come. So it is not possible because 29 will not come in table of 7. So next prime number is 11. So we'll try with 11 here. 11 here I'll write the question. 11 ones are 11. So 5 remains. So 9. So 59 doesn't come in table of 11. So it is not completely dividing. So next prime number is 13. So we'll see. And we know that 13 is a square root of 169. So definitely it will get divided. So 13 ones are 13. 3 remains. 13 3s are 39. So last remainder is 0. It means what? It is completely divided by 13. So 13 ones are 13. 13 3s are. So 13 ones are 13. So here when you are finding the square root, you have to take only one number, or you can write in this form 3 square into 13 square. So square root you have to apply the different differently. So separately you can apply the square root here. So square root of 3 square is 3 into square root of 13 square is 13. So 3 13s are 13 is 39. On here you have to write the units because we don't know whether it is centimeter meter. We don't know here. Or just no need to write this units also. So you can keep this 39 as it is. And further the question is what? So can you now find the distance between the two towns A and B discussed in section 7.2. So we'll see what is section 7.2 here. So this is 7.2 and here actually they have given here 7.1 question and they have said it is 7.2. So here you can see that horizontal distance is 36 and vertical is here 15. And from origin, so one town is at origin, that's A, one town is at B. So they are given a horizontal and vertical distance, but actual distance they are not given. So find out the distance between these two. We have to take the points of A. So points of A are what? It is at origin, so these are 0, 0. And points of B. So B is at 36 and 15 distance. So B is at what? 36 from this x-axis and 15 from the y-axis. So the same distance we have in this question. So the distance between these 2 points is what? 39 kilometer, because here unit is given what? 39. If unit is not given, just you can write the units. So here it is asked, can you find the distance? So obviously you can find out distance. So I'll tell you, suppose it is given and always they'll give in a Cartesian plane. So the question was A and B here. So it was at origin. So the points of A are 0 and 0. And this B was at 36 kilometer horizontally from this A, and vertically it was 15 kilometer. So distance between this 0, 0 and 36 and 15 we have found, that is 36 units. Therefore, the distance between town A and town B given in section, actually it is 7.1, is how much? 39 kilometer, because we had their same coordinate points.